Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
I don't know how we're gonna. This better not do like the Paris one and immediately start. Yeah, no.
Like, why would we want Italy? We're not in Italy. Let's do Dubai.
The palm. We'll pick the palm at the end.
Why? I already paid, babes.
A bubble on the palm. That was the ugliest picture.
Okay, let's go.
Every time you go to a
I'm never gonna have luck with these
Linda
photos.
gets literally
I always
money
get
taken
scammed.
every time. At least we took cute pictures of taking the pictures. I got a honey latte. Soy milk. Okay, taste test. Damn, it's so good. I like that their coffee is sweet, but it's not like super sweet. As soon as we stepped into the mall, I just got so much sicker.
Yeah, you did get sicker. I think it's allergies.
Also, I bought some buzz.
She takes a lot of time to make decisions. We gotta be fast paced. Like, we don't
Linda's
have time.
changing it. She's working on her indecisiveness.
She's like, do you think they have sambas here at Adidas? I'm like, let's go and check. I find one, I'm like, get it in your size. Let's go.
Literally, I tried it out. She's like, okay, go get it. We went to look for a camera. She was about to buy the camera. Like, okay, she can't be that decisive right now because I have to research the camera first. They're like making the coffee right here. Really look horrible, feel horrible, but at least this coffee is really good. I need to go to a pharmacy ASAP. We're in Chinatown. It opened in the Dubai Mall. Look at the lanterns. Very pretty.
Getting rude.
I was walking up to it and he's like, wait. And like, I was here before you.
Can we get food? Because I'm getting hangry and I'm gonna start being mean. We're going to eat at Din Tai Fung.
We ordered red bean buns. I've never tried it. It's so cute and mini. It's good, I like it. Tasty. Sorry for the horrible angle and lighting, but I'm too stressed to care. Regardless of my stress, I still want to give you a haul. First of all, I carried these hangers the entire day because I ordered silver ones and they brought white ones. I went to return them. The size of that pet food shocked me. It was massive. I could not find anything and there were so many people. So I just walked out. I got tteokbokki. Tteokbokki or tteokbokki? I have been dying to try this, so the instant one will do for now. And then I got book. You saw me at the bookstore. This Mitch Albom one, The 5 People You Meet in Heaven, Norwegian Wood by Murakami. Never read something by Murakami. I got Little Woman. I watched the movie and I loved it, so I have to read this. I went to Miniso. First I got these clips, got another clip. The color was just too pretty not to get this. My favorite. It's so cute. The amount of stuffed animals that they had that were so cute, but I know I don't have the luggage space for that. I have work to do, so let me just pack up my haul. This is the cleanest metro station I've ever been in, and quietest. I'm the only person. Hello. I'm feeling really sick though, honestly. You just have like cold flashes and hot flashes, and I'm not okay. The first place I come is Miniso. It's just too cute here. I'm obsessed. Guess where we're going now? Lego. What is this? I got coffee. Let's start writing. A couple just walked by and the guy pointed at me and nudged his girlfriend to look. That just makes me want to vlog even more. Who cares? Literally, when am I gonna ever see them again? Actually, I'm gonna see them again right now because they're walking back. Should I have dumplings for lunch? We'll see. The first time I ever go to a restaurant alone. I've been to cafes, but never a restaurant. outside. It's time for a grocery haul. I'm finally back home. I'm not feeling the best. I'm still feeling sick. Anyways, I got Linda donuts from Krispy Kreme. Yes. I think these are her favorites. Honestly, they're my favorites, so maybe I just mixed up whose favorites they are. Plain glazed and the chocolate glazed. I got this. It's crispy seaweed snacks that are Korean barbecue flavored. Next, my all-time favorite, Alpro yogurt, Coke Zero, this. These are apparently Linda's favorite. Blueberries. Yum, I love blueberries. Linda told me these are really good. They're Alpro pudding cups, I guess. I love Alpro so much. Avocados, oat milk, rice cakes, toothbrush, toothpaste, Nutella, almond milk, lettuce. This is a lot of lettuce. Honestly, was expecting one. Cucumbers, banana. Last thing, I got kiwi because I love kiwi. That's my grocery haul. It's honestly kind of random, but it's at least an improvement because there was nothing in the fridge. Good morning. It's actually 2 p.m. but I'm starting my day now. Finally today I'm feeling better and I want to go to the beach. Which color? I'm thinking this one. Ooh, it's so cute. I don't know how long this is gonna last because my hair is falling out of the braid. And let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing this crochet thing that I thrifted in Manchester. Zara tank. And these pants, I think they're also from Zara. I don't know how much this hat fits the aesthetic with the bows. Let's go to the beach. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Today to the beach, huh?
Yes, to the
Right
beach.
beach. You alone? No one with you?
Yeah, I'm alone. I made it to the beach. It's so beautiful. Look how empty it is. There are helicopters every 5 seconds. I don't get it. I'm so sorry for the noise. But it's actually kind of cold right now. I'm sitting on this like lounge chair thing. I started this book yesterday. I'm almost done with it. My plan is to find where I can get a bike because look at them. It looks so fun. It's just peaceful and beautiful. I love the beach. Look what I found. Beautiful seashells. This one and this one are my favorite. I got sand everywhere. I almost tripped. I'm wearing super like flowy clothes, so I feel so free. I got sand everywhere again. Honestly, the social anxiety filming, non-existent here. I couldn't care less. Look at all the birds. I should probably journal. I tried to fix my hair. I think I made it worse. Maybe without the hat. Yeah, no. I'm not gonna ride a bike anymore because I asked this girl that was riding a bike where she rented it from. She said I need the Kidding bike app and then I need to locate one. She's like, you can find it like every kilometer. So I'm like, never mind. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. Probably take a cab back home because I am drenched in sand. I need to shower and I'm going out at night. Let's go get some acai. Hi, how are you? I'll just take the plastic. Thank you. Have a nice day. I got the acai. I got peanut butter, granola, blueberries, banana, and strawberries. I'm sitting here with the most beautiful sunset view. Eating this is gonna be so difficult. It's so full, and the cup shape is not helping. It's so good.
Excuse me. Someone's gonna hit you walking past.
This biker was literally gonna run these two girls over. He called them out for it. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten something cold to eat when it's so cold outside, but it tastes good. Here, you want a bite? Eat up. Let's go home. It's so cold. I'm just excited to shower. I'm rushing because the cab is here. Love you. I'm back from the beach. I just showered my body. Now I'm getting ready to go out. Still not sure where we're going. Does this make it better? I don't know. Today ended up being so fun. My anxiety was really bad this morning. Journaling helped so much. Journaling just gives me a way to clear my head, helps me narrow down my thoughts because I will be thinking at like 1,000 miles per minute. So journaling makes me slow down my thinking. Just waiting for Linda to decide, honestly. And I think she's waiting for me to decide and my friends are waiting for me to update them. So I don't know, but I am not deciding. The lighting's bad. I'm watching Netflix. I'll just see you when my makeup's done.
Or not.
We're at brunch at Vibe. I don't want to get copyrighted. Cue the montage. Thank you so much. That's it. Get myself together and start leaving the house. I've just been sitting inside and reading. I can do that in Lebanon. I don't have to do that in Dubai. Even though I really want to read, I'm in my reading era right now. I'm gonna get ready to go to a mall. Yet again, another mall. This is the 4th mall that I will be going to. That is way too many malls for me. But I do have a reason. I have to get more 3G. I decided to go to this mall first because I've never been on the Palm, so I want to see it. Second, they have Joe and the Juice. I need to get ready. Also, I put my hair like this, not because I think it looks cute, but because I wanted to use my new clip. I need to stop procrastinating and start getting ready. Let me put in lenses so I can see you. Well, see myself. Ow, 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 ow. I can see now. Let's make this a montage. This is my outfit. I have to go because it's almost 3 p.m. and the Etisalat closes at 4.